Hello, everybody. This is Mark. Drone pilot. I ain't flew this Mavic Air in a long time, and I was just checking it out today. Got some music in the background if you can hear me over it. Um, but yeah, we're just checking out the drone today, the Mavic Air. Supposed to get a lot of rain tomorrow or tomorrow morning. It's Saturday night, March 3rd, 2019. And if we do, I'm going to go down this road right here you're looking at, go down there, and it's called 5 Mile Creek. I'm probably going to get some pictures of that because it'll probably be over its banks, probably into houses and stuff. But we're going to go down there and see once it gets through raining tomorrow and check it out. And I want to say thank you to all my subs, all my new subs. Eventually, I don't know when, but we'll be going to different places. I know this gets old, just seeing the same old area over and over and over. But doing some testing right now and go from there. Everybody have a great rest of the weekend. This is Saturday night, March 3rd, 2019. God, I can't believe it's 2019. I remember when it was 1985. Where did time go? Wow. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much to all my subs. Thank you so much. Um, and eventually we'll have prizes given away on here also. But I got to read the rules and regulations through YouTube because I heard from Mel that it can be a handful. So I got to get with Mel or Ken Herron and see what I have to do that. But anyway, guys, y'all have a great rest of the weekend and all that, and we will catch y'all later. Peace.